Unit number 1. In unit number 1, what we are going to study? Unit number 1, we are going to study the overview of graphics system. Okay. The first introduction to the graphics system. Video display devices that we use in our day-to-day life. Different video display devices we use, from your mobile to your TV, your laptop, PC screen, everywhere we use the video display devices. And these display devices has scan system, random scan system. Graphics monitors are different, correct? You know, if you are playing the games, you require some different types of monitors, or the ports are required there. Different ports are required there. So graphics monitors are required there. Sorry, we are going to study along with the workstations. Input devices, graphics is not possible without the input devices, because we are giving some input to that particular system. For example, when you are playing the game, what you are using keyboard of your particular mobile, correct? Keypad. So that keypad is nothing but the input device. Now I am taking the lecture. I am using this mouse for displaying our click. I click on the mouse, then it window in this way. So it is an input device. This keyboard, whatever your laptop keyboard or your PC keyboard, all these are input devices, and these are very essential. So what are the different types of input devices available and we are using in our day-to-day life that we are going to study? Then hard copy devices. For example, printer, plotters, you are using this, and graphics software. So without software, we cannot perform all the things. For example, if you want to perform your C program, you require the Turbo C++ software, correct? So in this way, graphics related, whenever we want to execute a graphic related program, or whenever we want to execute a graphic related application, graphic softwares are required. So as I told you that for gaming purpose, you require some specific configurations with your PC or your mobile. So that graphic softwares, what different graphic softwares are there, that also we are going to see here. So that is about the first unit. Now we are going to start with the first part, overview of graphics system and its applications. So can anyone tell me what is graphics, computer graphics? Design diagrams, images. So see, what is computer graphics? Computers have, we know that computer has become a very powerful tool nowadays. Everywhere we use a computer, everywhere. So computer have a powerful tool for rapid and economical production of the pictures. Creation, creation of the picture, manipulation and storage of geometric objects, modeling and their images, called rendering. So what is modeling? What is rendering? That we are going to study in detail. Only remember that creation, manipulation and storage of geometric objects and their images. That is computer graphics. Display images on the screens or hard copy devices. On the screens means now you are seeing the PPTs. So it is nothing but the example of a graphics. I am using the presentation graphics. I am using the presentation graphics and show you the PPT. So displaying it on the screen or hard copy devices means I already told you the plotter, printer through which you can take the printout of the hard copy of that particular image. So that is computer graphics. Now see, so computer graphics, what it involve? Display, it display, manipulation and storage of pictures and experimental data for proper visualization. Visualization is important in graphics using a computer. So here it says a computer, but we mobile also we can say it is used to visualize the images. Or your TV now, the smart TVs are available. So that also you can consider. In our college, you can see the census boards are there, panels are there. Okay. So what that panel? These are interactive graphics devices. We can write it on that panel. We can use it as a blackboard. We can use it as a PPT presenter. We can use it as a simple computer. You can open the any site and internet and see the YouTube videos. For everything we can use that TVs, whatever are attached in our classroom. Okay. So I think in first year you have seen that TVs. Yes or no? Panels, which are census panels, which are attached in the classroom. Have you seen it in the first year? Okay. So that is also example of the display or display device or interactive computer device. A typical graphics system comprises of a host computer. It requires the computer means CPU. Your mobile also have a CPU, motherboard, everything is there in the mobile. You know it. RAM is there in your mobile. Everything is there. As it is in a computer, it is in the mobile also. So it comprises of a host computer means your CPU. In laptop there is a CPU. In your PC there is a CPU. The smart TVs or the which are attached in our colleges that also included the CPUs. So host computer which support fast processor, larger memory, frame buffer. And along with this computer, it required the display devices, means color monitors, input devices such as mouse, keyboard, joysticks, touchscreen, trackball. Now, I am using here for this laptop mouse and keyboard. In our panels that are attached in our classroom, these are touch screens also. We can write it only touch screen, not necessary to use the keyboard. Touch screens are also there. So many laptops are also available with the touch screen. And your mobile is already touch screen mobile. So touch screen is also used considered as an input device. Output devices, LCD panels, laser printers, color printers, plotters, etc. And interfacing devices such as video, I/O, TV interface, etc. So now see all these things we are using in our day-to-day life. All these things we are using in our day-to-day life. It is not a new thing that you are studying, but we are going to study how all these are work. We know it. We are using the panel, LCD plasma TV in our homes, correct? LCD TVs, big LED TVs. Then we are using color monitors everywhere in the laboratories also. Yes, your laptop has a color monitor. You are using mouse joystick, but here we are going to study how it actually works. Okay. Next. So it is a simple diagram of a framework for computer interactive graphics. The application model and application programs are there, which are executed with this graphics system. It takes the input from your mouse, keyboard, such touch screen, joystick, etc., and output is displayed on the screen. Is displayed on the screen. So that is simple interactive graphics framework. Now we are going to start with the next application of computer graphics. What are the different application of computer graphics where we normally use? As I told you that everywhere nowadays we are using the computer graphics in our day-to-day life. So some applications, these are not the entire applications, some of the important applications we are going to see here, that is application of computer graphics. The first one is computer aided design, CAD, presentation graphics, computer art, entertainment, education and training. We use the computer graphics, visualization, scientific and business purpose, image processing, and graphical user interface. Now we start with the first computer aided design, that is CAD. Okay. Computer aided design, CAD. In mechanical and in civil, it is mostly used. For which purpose? Used in design of building, automobiles, aircrafts, watercrafts, spacecrafts, computers, textiles, and many other products. Objects are displayed. It is shown here. Objects are displayed in wireframe outline form. You can see here. So what it shows, it is a chair-like structure. But is it exactly the chair? No, only wireframe structure is given there. And in indicating that this wire means the chair will be look like this. Or these are the dimensions of the chair. This is the height of the chair. Okay. This is the length of the chair. This is base of the chair. This is the we can say hands of the chair. So that is shown here. Then here it shows the back end, side whatever, the side view, front view, back view, etc. So for this purpose, this graphics is used. How it is generated? It is generated through the graphics. CAD software, so many CAD software are available through which you can draw it. So software packages provide multi-window environment. So, so many packages are available. So you can say the CAD software, SCAM software, these are available through which you can draw such kind of images. It is used to design it. For example, suppose I want to structure a building. So in that, using this wireframe, our CAD software, we can design the building. If anyone want to design a car in automobile structure, so using this, for example, it is shown here in the next. So graphics design package provides standard shapes useful for repeated placement. So graphic design packages, if you are using some package of for the CAD purpose or to drawing the images like this, so some shapes are already available. For example, circular shape that you can use as a wheel of a particular uh, two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Okay, in automobile sector. If you are using it for building structure of a particular building, you can use the block structure. So standard shape are available in most of the packages. Animation are also used in CAD application. Realistic animations are used means you can see there particular car if you want to buy a particular car. So many times animations are provided to give you feel about that particular car. Now, realistic display of architecture design permits simulated walk through the rooms. Simulated walk through the room, virtual reality system. Means what? Suppose you want to buy a particular flat. If you want to buy a flat, and many times you visited with your parents to a building which is under construction. So you enter that particular building which is under construction. Flats are not ready, but there is one room where one uh, TV is attached. I think most of you have seen that. And on that TV, entire structure of the building is available. The simple animation is created, and it shows you the how the building will be look like after the completion. This will be the garden. This will be the terrace area. This will be the parking area, and this will be the type of lift which we are going to. So it shows you the actually it is virtual. It is not available there, but it feel the reality, and that's why it is VR. AR, VR, what we can augmented reality and virtual reality. So virtual reality systems are anywhere used, and what it give you the feel. You consider that you are walking through the rooms. It give a feel like that. So that in that case, it is used. For example, another if you are go for a particular showroom and to want to show a particular car. So in that case, animations are used such that you feel that you are driving the car and how car will be look like, how the feel of the particular car, everything is now available with the animation. And it is virtual reality system, VR, AR, VR, that lab we are implementing in our college also. So augmented reality and virtual reality all are using the graphics. So see, it's this syllabus, whatever we are going to study, it is a basic for all these things. AR, VR, multimedia, all these things, it's a basic. So these examples are shown here. So I think you are clear with the first application, computer aided design. Yes. So in this way, we are going to study the remaining application, presentation graphics. So the main example or the simple example that I am using now, what I am doing, I am prepared the slides and show you that slides. In this previous example, I show you are the images. So it becomes easy to understand you, correct? If after that, if I use the animation, simple video, I display or show you simple video, then it is also very easy to understand you the particular topic. Topic. So this presentation graphics. So used to produce illustration for reports or generate slides for use with projectors. Used to summarize financial statistical, mathematical, scientific, economic data for research reports, managerial reports, and customer information bulletin. How it is shown? Simple way to summarize all these: bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, surface graphs, time charts. And these we use, or already you have, I think, used. If you want to survey something, and in that case you want the final out. For example, in your class, a result is displayed, and we want to display the result per subject. So what we use? Simple bar charts we can use. So indicating that what is the result of your class, what is the result of computer graphics subject, what is the result of OS, what is the result of another subject, OP. So in that way, bar chart is normally used in that case to show the result, or we can analysis of the result. So we call it as a report. So that reports are shown with the bar charts. Line charts are used somewhere. Now see, if you visit any site, covidindia19.org, or you visit the Wordometer, which gives the entire information of the corona. If you can see, there are so many charts. What it indicating? Indicating the whatever the growth of the patient, then the deaths of the patient per day. So how it is shown? It is shown through the that particular charts, using the charts. One. Okay. Here some examples are given. It is a standard bar chart that is used, indicating that it is bar chart of a particular, I think, vegetables. So how many where tomatoes are there, how many oranges are there, how many bananas are there, and you can see it's not a simple chart. It is a 3D like image. So it is possible to use the graphics. Here standard line chart is here. It is also a 3D like image. Then standard pie chart, it indicating how many cars are sold 20%, how many airplanes, how many trains, or how many ships, how many buses are there. Okay, so in this way, standard pie chart is used. Then another intersected surfaces are used for indic presentation graphics. Then this is geological time chart, which is given here, estimated age and all this. So this is the example of present. Result. Instead of giving these values of the particular number of vegetables through the table, if we give it through this type of bar chart, it becomes simple to understand. It becomes simple to understand. Now the next one. Third, computer art. So computer art, we use, for example, paint brush. Paint is available. Paint software is available in everywhere, laptop, mobile, PC. So what's that paint? It's a simple computer art. What it includes? It is used to fine art and commercial art. Fine art, we can use that in commercial. Commercially, it is used very well. Include artist paintbrush programs, paint packages, CAD packages, and animation packages. Then these packages provide facility for designing object shapes, because shapes are already given. If we open the pen, shapes are given there. For example, the oval shape, circular shape, then your square, rectangle, lines, arrows, everything is already given in the packages. Specify object motions, example cartoon drawing, painting, product advertisement, logo design. So computer art is used, or this is one of the application of graphics. It is shown here. So in this, what you feel here, it looks like the actual image of that, or we can actual bag is available there, but it is not. It is an image which is drawn through the using the computer art. Tom and Jerry, you can see here the image of Tom and Jerry. It is a computer art. Animation, the computer, the cartoon, all cartoons, it requires the drawing of that particular cartoon. So it starts with the graphics, computer graphics. First, the person who is generating this computer uh, animation for that cartoon need to draw the images of the cartoon. And then these all images are collected together and generate the entire animation of the cartoon film. So for that, computer art is required, paint is required to color this particular images. This example, another example is given there, how we can use it. That particular color is assigned to here and convert. Now the next and the important which application of the computer graphics is the entertainment, which is used everywhere nowadays. So in entertainment, movie industry used in motion pictures, music videos, and television shows, used in making of cartoon animation films. Whatever the pictures you have seen, for example, your Bollywood movies or Hollywood movies, mostly Hollywood movies, Terminator. One of the best example of animation is the Aviator. How many of you seen that movie Aviator? So in that movie, you can see the best example of animation. So everywhere in that movie, the I think bird is shown there. A very good color means color combination is very good for that particular bird, and that bird is used. Whether that bird is available? No, it is not available. But it is created through the animation. Graphics, entire graphics is there. So much career is there nowadays in graphics because of the entertainment. Titanic movie, I think you have seen. So in the Titanic movie, that big ship is shown there. Then the ship is cut into two parts and all this. Most of the things are animated. Another thing, Bahubali. Bahubali 2, Bahubali 1, the waterfall is shown there. Correct? Is such a waterfall available in India? No. No such a waterfall is available. It is created through the graphic system and the animation. Another thing, the person or the hero is moving from here to there, or we can say from one mountain to another mountain. Is it possible for a normal person? No, it is created through the animation only. And behind all this, there is a graphic. So that you can say the so big mountain. I mean, here, as I told you, Hollywood movies, the Terminator and all these movies. You can say another these dinosaurs, for example, in this image, dinosaurs. So such a dinosaurs are available nowadays? No. So it is created through the animation, graphics, Jurassic Park, Anaconda, all these movies, animation, most of the things animations are used there. And behind all these, there is a graphic. You can see here the person. Is it a real person? No. It is created through the animation. Entertainment nowadays, entertainment is a big application of computer graphics and animation. And one two softwares we are going to see how animation is created. That for that we are going to use the Blender and the Scratch. Scratch is very simple software we can use for animation purpose. Also Blender is there, and I know that so most of the students are interested in animation. So game industry is shown here. Another your PUBG game. It is animation. Such kind of game. I don't know the name of this game. Mario. We are playing it from so many years. So we are playing it. Not you. We are playing it from so many years when we 20 years back and 25 years back. Mario was there. So in that case, the animation is used. Nowadays it is increased, means interactivity increase there. Now focus on interactivity is there. Previously it is simple like this. Mario it is shown here. But now it is like this. Means it shows more, it makes more interactive to you. Feel that you are playing with a person. So more interactivity is there. Cost effective solution. Now it's very less cost is there. Avoiding computation and other tricks. So that is about the entertainment. Now the next one, education and training. So in education and training also graphics and animations are used. Computer generated models of physical, financial and economic systems are used in educational aids. Now educational aids are generated through the graphics. You can see the ads, not now see. The ads are not available as a poster, correct? So many ads are available. So in education, it is used and for training purpose. Models of physical system, psychological system, population trends, or equipment such as color-coded diagram help training to understand the operation of the system. Examples are shown here. Specialized system used for training application. Simulators for practice sessions or training of ship captain, aircraft pilots, heavy equipment operators, air traffic control personnel. Means instead of using the actual what we say ship, using the aircraft, the person use the simulators and try to train or try to educate that another person how to use that particular ship, how to use that aircraft, heavy equipment operators. So simulators are used there. One of the example that in Kolhapur also, in Maruti showroom, that Sai Services. Now they have generated a training center. What in that training center? They created such a application that but the person sit there and practice the driving of car. It is not actually on the road, but the person feels like he is driving on the road. So it provides the gears, clutch, brake, everything, accelerator, everything is there, but it is not on the road. So the training is given there, but using the simulator, and that is available in Kolhapur also. So first that training is given to that person in their showroom, Sai Services, it is available. And after the person trained with the clutch, brake, accelerator and gears, then the person allowed to go outside for the training. So in this way, simulators are used to practice session for ship captains, aircraft pilots, heavy equipment and air traffic control personnel. So that is the use in the education and training. So that is shown here instead of training directly on the helicopter. First, such a kind of training is given there with the simulator. Next, visualization. So scientific visualization, producing graphical representation of scientific, engineering and medical data sets. So when the research is done by scientific research is done by particular person, if the person requires some data set. For example, now the research is performing everyone on the coronavirus, correct? So for that data set is required. So in that case, the graphical representation of that particular thing is used. So medical data set. For example, a person are research on the tumor, okay, brain tumor. So in that case, the person who is doing the research needs some previous images of the tumor, brain tumor, so that he can find out a particular thing or research, make a research on that tumor. So for that, he requires the previous images. A big data set is required for scientific purpose. So in that case, it is useful. The example is shown here. 3D like 3D images are also used for biomedical purpose. That is shown here also in this way. So that images are used whatever available, and using that a person can perform a research. Then image processing. Seventh is the image processing. CG computer is used to create a picture. You know that it using a computer, using the mobile, using the laptop, you can create a picture. Image processing applies the techniques to modify or intercept existing pictures such as photographs or TV scans. So it is used in medical application, picture enhancement, tomography, simulation of operations, ultrasonic and nuclear medicine scanners. Two applications of image processing are improving picture quality, machine perception of visual information in robotics. Now see, image processing mostly where we use in our example of computer engineering students or software students. Suppose there is a one group who want to perform a project. Which kind of project? The group or the students want to convert particular handwriting. Suppose handwriting is given there, or someone has written it, and want to extract that words. Suppose I have written, my name is Deepali Jadhav. It is my handwriting. So if I want, the particular student want to make a research and want to extract my handwriting and convert it into the simple computer writing, means in the word file. So what the person need to do? The person need to take a picture of my handwriting and one by one need to extract the image. So my name is, so first extract M, the picture, then enhance it. Enhance it means if it is a color, convert into the grayscale and try to match it M, whatever there, with the standard ABCD, that particular picture. Another example, suppose the number plate recognition. Okay. For example, in the highway toll booth, what is there? In the toll booth, cameras are there and automatically it takes a picture of your vehicle's number plate. Vehicle's number plate. And that number plate is recognized one by one. MS09, AUAQ, whatever. So M is there, H is there, 09. What is this? This is the picture. And from that picture, entire picture, one word is recognized. And accordingly, the particular number plate is recognized, entire MH09, PW, whatever. It is recognized, it is fit to the computer, which the person who is sitting there, and automatically toll is generated. Whether the person typed the number plate? No, it is not possible. So many vehicles are there. So it is not possible for the person, the assistant who is sitting there, to type the number of each and every number vehicle number plate. So in that case, the cameras used there, the cameras extract the picture, then that pictures, the programming application program is there. Who written that? Software engineer written that application program. So in that application program, one particular character is chosen and that character is converted into the MH09, simple words. And accordingly, the number is recognized. So in that case, the medical application, so many medical applications are there where image processing is used. That is one example I have given you. So many examples are there. And nowadays it is what we say, everywhere we are using it. On the toll booth now, not necessary to give the toll. Okay, that FASTag is compulsory. What it recognize the FASTag number is there. It recognize that camera is used there, which recognize the number automatically from your account. The amount is deducted. Image processing is used in that case. So to apply image processing, other methods are also there. For another example, X-ray photographs are used. Then for surgery purpose in medical, it is used the X-ray photographs. So that is example shown here. So see, if it's a color image, normally the color image is not used for direct research purpose. The color images are first converted into the grayscale, then the noise is extracted. Noise means if anything extra is there. For example, a person's brain is shown here. So the remaining part is not required. So first this remaining part is removed. Then only this part is considered. Among this, if there is an issue with this part, then this part is only extracted. So in this way, image processing is used in medical application. Here is shown some part. If any problem with this, then first this entire remaining part is extracted or removed. Only this part is taken considered for the operation. Knee is shown here, I think. So that is image processing. And the last one is the graphical user interface. Graphical user interface we use in our day-to-day life. Major components, window manager, multiple window areas. To make a particular window, for example, I will start this presentation. Okay. Now, major component, window manager, multiple window areas. So this is one of the best example of multiple window. What is here? This is one of the window, correct? I click here to activate this window. To make a particular window activate, click in the window using interactive pointing device. I am using here mouse. I click here, so this window is activated. Suppose I want to activate this one. So I click here. So this window is now active. Suppose I click here insert, this window becomes active. I click here, this becomes active. Have you understood? So this is one of the example, and in our computer system, it these multiple window applications are available everywhere. If you are using the Turbo C++, if you are using the the .NET, windows are available. Now we are going to see the Blender, Scratch, multiple windows are there. So in only you have to click on the window, that window becomes active. Interface display menus and icons. You can see here menus are there, icons are used there. What is the use of icons? Graphical symbols. It is easy to understand. So here education purpose. So that graphical symbol is given here. For table, the table symbol is given here. Smart chart, it is given here. For chart, it is given here. For shape. So along with the text, graphical symbols or icons, we call it as a icons are given here. So when I click on here, different icons you can see here. So where it is a text, no, only icon is given. What it indicates? Justify. Suppose I want all the entire on the left hand side. I use this one. So align on the left hand side. Icon is given there. Whether the text is given there? No. What is the advantages of icon? Less screen space. Easily understood. So instead of here writing align left control L, what it gives? Only the icon. So it requires the minimum space. Here also you can see everywhere you can see the icon. Wherever shapes, here direct icon is given. It is a rectangle. So instead of writing a rectangle, icon is given there. So everyone know it is a rectangle. It is an arrow line. Arrow. You can see here arrow. Here you can see the simple line. Here you can see the text. So in this way icons are used. Menus contain list, textual description and icon. So if I click here, you can see here the textual description. What is it? You can create a new file, you can open a file, you can save as, print, share, export, etc. So menus contain list of textual description. So that is simple example of graphical user interface. These slides share PowerPoint. So in this way, everywhere it is in the PDF. If you are using the Word, if you are using any other software, most of the softwares provide multiple windows. So that example is given here. Buttons, push buttons are normally push buttons are given there. Using the pointer device such as keyboard, mouse, you can click on that. Menus, icons, etc. So everyone clear with the applications? So applications are computer aided design, presentation graphics, computer art, entertainment, education and training, visualization, image processing, and graphical user interface. These are some of the applications. So many other applications are also available. Okay. So now the next part, that is graphics packages. Which graphics packages are available for all these things to implement all these applications? So a set of libraries that provide programmatically access to some kind of graphics 2D functions. Okay. Some of the applications are here. JK types are there. GKS, Graphics Kernel System, first graphics package accepted by ISO and ANSI. PHIGS, Programmers Hierarchical Interactive Graphics Standard, accepted by ISO and ANSI. Then PHIGS Plus, Silicon Graphics GL, OpenGL, we are going to see the OpenGL package. Pixar Render Man Interface, PostScript Interpreters, Painting Drawing Design Package. Simply Paint we use for drawing purpose. CAD is used in mechanical and civil industries mostly. So many packages, simple header file is there we require everywhere when we use the graphics software, graphics.h. This file also provide, header file provides so many graphics applications such as line, circle, etc. Directly it provides rectangle, square, all these are provided by the graphics.h header file. So these are some application packages and standards. Various platforms on which these packages are work: DOS, Windows, Linux, OS2, SGI, Sun OS, or you can CentOS, Solaris, HPUX, Mac, and TechOS. All are we are not using. Normally we are using DOS, Windows, Linux, etc. Ubuntu we are using. We can in our laboratory we use CentOS, etc. So different various utilities and tools are available for generating the application. Only package is not sufficient. With that, we require some higher level languages such as Java, XML, VRML, GIF animators, C++, Visual Basics, Borland, all these Pascal, Turbo C, Turbo Pascal. These some compilers are also required for programming 2D and 3D graphics. Some of these are device independent, some of these are device dependent. Device in OpenGL, X11, these are device independent, but Solaris and HPGP, these are device dependent. So today, another with that basic output primitives that we use for drawing the pictures, polylines. It is shown here, polylines. Simple lines, circle, square, rectangle. Filled polygons, it is shown here. Polygons we require for graphics. Ellipses are simple, half circle, ellipse, etc. Text normally we use, and raster image. So what is this raster image, raster scan, random scan? We are going to study in the first unit. These are the four major areas of computer graphics: display of information, design and modeling, simulation, and user. One by one we are studying it.